What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we got to go over the whole crypto market today. But the first thing that we're going to go over right now is the new Miami coin, and this is about to be one of City Coin's first launches. So they're going to start launching a series of coins, and they're going to have them city related. So they're actually dealing with the mayor of Miami. So over here you see Miami launches its own cryptocurrency, Miami coin, and the city of Miami is now launching its own crypto in August 3rd. And the city experts and the officials say that it will generate millions of dollars in revenue for Miami. So definitely good news right there. And the whole city coin thing is probably about to take off as well, because now San Francisco is also doing this. So we have two big cities doing this whole city coin, and now we're gonna have a lot more. You're probably gonna have New York City coin, LA coin, bunch of other coins. But yeah, Miami coin is about to be huge. It says the mayor of Miami, Florida is spotlighting the city's very own cryptocurrency. The new digital asset is designed to generate millions of dollars for the city's economy if people embrace it. So Miami Mayor Francis Suarez appeared on Fox to say this, and they made this whole statement. So this is going to be really big because there's 454,000 people just in Miami. That's not including, the metropolitan areas, because if you include all that, it's like 2.5 million or something. But yeah, just in that city, there's a lot of people. So this is going to be a really big crypto out there. It could definitely have just as much money as something like Shiba Inu, because I think Shiba Inu is at like $2.5 billion or something like that. And Miami coin, 450,000 people inside of Miami. And then we have about 500,000 people inside of Shiba Inu right now. Actually 600,000 in Shiba Inu. But yeah, Shiba Inu is now ranked 45. So yeah, Miami coin is probably going to be somewhere in the 30 rank, and maybe around 10 if we get a lot of money in it. But a lot of money would have to flow into it for it to do something like that. But yeah, we have a lot of different stuff going on here. I hope this whole Miami coin actually goes through. They're actually going to launch it on the 3rd. So right now you can't buy it. But yeah, you're gonna have to wait for the 3rd. And this is the mayor actually shouting it out on the Twitter of the Miami mayor. As you can see, check out this, the first city coin, and that's what they're going to be calling it. I'm going to go over the city coin in a second. But yeah, this is the first city coin, and it's going to be Miami coin. So that's pretty big news here. And this is the Miami coin, well, the city coin website for Miami coin. As you can see here, they have a bunch of cities here. So this is about to be big. You can vote for your own city. I'm going to vote for Miami because I'm down here in Florida. So this is the coin I'm going to be buying. And let me know in the comments if you guys are interested in this, or what city you all are in, because then you can actually vote for your city to have a coin made for it. So that's definitely good news for it. So anyways, you can see how it works over here. They have it fully explained here. My Miami coin is powered by Stacks, a protocol that enables smart contracts on the Bitcoin network. Anyone can compete to mine Miami coin by forwarding their STX tokens through the protocol. So 30% of miners forwarded STX and is directed towards a wallet reserved for Miami, and the remaining 70% can be stacked on to yield STX and BTC. So yeah, they're actually working directly with the mayors. So that's a really big statement there, because even small cities can get into this, and this is going to help generate revenue for a lot of different cities. So cities are going to be on the rise inside of everywhere, not even just the US. So we're going to have it in major cities outside of the US as well. So the mining city coins are mined by forwarding STX. We just now talked about that. And then stacking the city coins, we also talked about that. City coins can be locked on the Stacks protocol for a voluntary period of time, yielding STX as a reward. The rewarded STX comes from the 70% of forwarded STX from city coin miners. So the yielded STX can be further stacked by the yield BCC. So they have the whole APY over here, as you can see, estimated 100%, estimated 10% BTC APY. So this is pretty much how it works, and you can get it on August 3rd. Remember, you cannot get it yet, only on August 3rd, so you're gonna have to wait for that. But yeah, this is going to be pretty big for the whole crypto space. It's going to shake things up a lot. And yeah, Miami has been the top innovator for cryptos in general. But yeah, as you can see, we have Bitcoin up 24% for the last 7 days. Then we have, 3.4% for the last 24 hours for Bitcoin. And everything's kind of doing well. But it looks like we're recovering right now, because at 41K, that is really good. And we could easily be at 50K by the end of the week. or by sometime the beginning of next week, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, somewhere we could be at 50K if we have some huge price action going on. So hopefully we have some big stuff going on there. There's also a few things that we have to talk about with the crypto space. So feds are seizing crypto, and that's no doubt about it, because we see this every single day. And we had the 2 South African brothers that fled to South America after taking a bunch of crypto. So this is happening so often that the feds are now having to make their own crypto wallet and literally their own crypto bank, so then they can keep all this confiscated money. Because where do you think that money is going? They can't just leave it on a hardware wallet or leave it inside of the thief's software wallet. They got to extract it and send it to their own wallet. So they're going to be doing this and then using it for their own gains, I guess. But yeah, now they have to figure out what they're going to do. So this is going to kind of shake things up, and probably going to start bringing up a lot of regulations because of this. Let's be honest, because they're seeing how much money is really involved in it now that they have their own wallets, and they're like, oh wow, we can make a lot of money off this. And that's probably what's going to happen inside the long term. But anyways, nonprofits are becoming the new way to donate. Remember what Shiba Inu did for the India COVID Crypto Relief Fund? They sent billions of dollars to them, and it was so much money they sent to them. So definitely shout out to them. And yeah, a lot has really been going on with the crypto space, but it's been more FOMO, no FUD, no fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Only good things have been coming up about crypto, so that's definitely good news there. And yeah, this is all I had for today. The main thing today was that Miami coin, so definitely keep watching out for it. And remember, August 3rd is whenever they're coming out with it. And definitely shout out your city to see if you can get it on there. Maybe we can get an LA coin, Atlanta coin, New York coin, Dallas coin, Austin coin, all these different coins. So yeah, we're gonna have a lot of different stuff going on here in crypto. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. And check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.